Now I'm going to talk about how NimbleTrack Gen2, our fully wireless and mobile optical 3D scanner, streamlines the scanning process for large components. NimbleTrack Gen2 balances high scanning speed with high accuracy, especially for some detailed areas. Let me show you how NimbleTrack Gen2 do it. In our daily work, we often need to scan large workpieces, and arranging scanners flexibly can be a real challenge. NimbleTrack Gen2 is portable and compact, with 54 laser lines for ultra-fast scanning and 17 parallel laser lines for capturing fine details. So, whether it is a large workpieces or a small space, NimbleTrack Gen2 can meet the needs. NimbleTrack Gen2 offers markerless scanning in a compact form, making it ideal for scanning intricate areas where precision matters most. It allows us to connect accurate data from even the most detailed regions. In addition, its wireless, battery-powered design eliminates cable restrictions, providing exceptional flexibility for large-scale scans. For large components, NimbleTrack Gen2 incorporates adaptive photogrammetry technology in its tracker, ensuring exceptional accuracy for both long and short measurement distances. It eliminates cumulative errors and ensures consistent volumetric accuracy, as the system's wide FOV and rapid scanning capabilities enable fast, efficient data capture. A complete scan takes only minutes. In addition, you can use NimbleTrack Gen2 to scan holes and edges. Just switch to hole detection mode. When scanning the hole, you should pay attention to grayscale image to adjust the exposure for the best scanning results. When scanning the edge of the workpiece, we can switch to parallel laser mode, and 17 parallel laser lines can carry out fine scanning.